Okay. We will discuss about the system of forces in the space, nothing but three-dimensional. So it is x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So a force is present here, so acting on that inclination, that's some theta. So it makes an angle for x-axis theta x, for y-axis we consider theta y. So similarly z-axis also theta z. So this is I am making the system of force with 3 dimensions. So next, coming to the horizontal force, we've taken as a p suffix x, vertical p suffix y, and z axis pz. Okay, so these are the forces present for a taken force. Okay. So next, that for the analysis of a system of force in a space nothing but 3D, so we know that we have 3 dimensions. One is x, y, and z. So in this coordinate, so if a p is a force in space making within angles theta x, theta y, theta z along with the directions of x, y, z. Okay, so coming to the forces for the particular directions, that is p suffix x equal to p cos theta x, p suffix y equal to p cos theta y. Coming to the p suffix z equal to p suffix z equal to p cos theta z. So these are the system of forces along with the 3 dimensions. Okay, 3 directions. So similarly, nothing but coming to the, so taking as a p is a force, 3 dimensions. So for each dimension, you have divided into this system of force in 3 forces, that is px, py, pz. So based upon these formulas. So next, coming to direction. So coming with p is a force, so initially it is 0 origin. So his origin we have the 0 0 coordinates. Here we have the x y z coordinates. So x y z coordinates. So I am considering these are x I y I z I. Okay. So next at the p it is considered as xj yj and zj. Okay. So I am taking as a position at origin xi yi zi. Coming to similarly j. So coming to similarly at origin I am taking the axis xi yi zi. Come to the system of forces at p, I am taking as xj yj zj. So these are the coordinates at 2 points. Okay. In same way here the force is p cos theta. So we know the value of p, but we don't know the value of p cos theta. Okay. చెప్పు అర్జున్. వచ్చాను, ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నాను, క్లాసులో ఉన్నాము, చాలా మంది వచ్చారు, 8 మంది వచ్చారు ఈరోజు. రండి 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 రండి. Okay, so we don't know the value of cos theta x. Okay, cos theta x we don't know. So for finding the cos theta x, we have the formula x suffix j minus x suffix I by L. So that is the cos theta value, cos theta x. Coming similarly, cos theta y, yj minus yi. Yj nothing but force present coordinate, yxi nothing but origin coordinate. Okay, sometimes origin value origin coordinates not similarly 0. Sometimes should be have some value. Okay, so that's why I'm taking as a coordinates like this. Okay, so similarly cos theta z also zj minus zi by L. What is the value of L? So the formula for the L value is root of xj minus xi whole square plus yj minus yi whole square plus zj minus zi whole square. So this is the formula for the calculation of L value. Okay, so similarly we can next find out that if if one force is that P. So if a number of forces is present in the same line, different line, okay, same line or different line, same line or different line. So what is the position at that time? So similarly, if system of forces nothing but P1, P2 up to and so on Pn, okay, P1, P2, P3 and so on Pn. So system of forces acting on that is, so what will be happen? So in that the direction which are known by known, okay, known directions are going to find out the value of similarly. So if you have one force we taken as a px, if p1 we can take p1x, p2x, p3x, like that, p1y, p2y, p3y, p1z, p2z, p3z. So we can find out also these are value also. So for finding the system of force values, then after we can combine nothing but addition, 1x, 2x, 3x along this direction value forces are we can add. So that we call as summation of p suffix s. Similarly, summation of p suffix y.